Hi, my name is Patrick. Welcome to the Mythbusters with regards to cat. A lot of myths with regards to cat, and we are here to try to explain you why is it actually a myth and what is the real scenario. So one question and one common myth is that a non-engineer finds it difficult to get into a B school or MBA school. As a matter of fact, I think the contrary is true. A non-engineer may find it easier to get into a B school of late, okay, than maybe an engineer. One reason is basically if you look at all the B schools, they look at diversity factor. So they give more weightage for a non-engineer and than an engineer. As a matter of fact, engineer may find it more difficult to get into top B school than a non-engineer, purely because of the competition, the number of engineers which compete for the same number of seats. Since there are more number of engineers writing the entrance examination, they compete with each other because normally B schools tend to reserve few seats for different categories. Like if you look at IIM Ahmedabad, they will call specific number of students for engineers, specific number for non-engineers, etc. etc. So automatically, because of a large number of engineers writing the exam, the cutoff for engineers are normally higher than a non-engineer. So a non-engineer gets an easier chance of getting a call. Apart from that, I mean, what is seen from the admissions who have got into a B school, there are many non-engineers are there in B school nowadays. There used to be a time, long time back, where engineers were filled, MBA colleges are filled with engineers, but that is not the case now. Now is a case where a lot of people, non-engineers, get into it. I mean, I just heard from one of my students who is in IIM Kozhikode. He said that almost 20% of the batch is freshers, from non-commerce background as such, just non-engineers. So if there are 20% commerce background, there will be more people from other backgrounds and more people with experience who will be there. So yes, of late, colleges have been looking forward to getting students from non-engineering background, because of which the cutoffs for these students are lesser, because the number of students who write from a non-engineering background are comparatively lower as compared to engineering background. So because of which it is easier for a non-engineer to get crack the examination, get into college. The problem that a lot of people non-engineer face is the mathematics part. They believe the mathematics part in the CAT becomes difficult for them to crack. But very frankly, from what I've seen from training students, I've seen that non-engineers are capable of studying, for the examination much better than an engineer if they follow the right method. I'll give you an example. I remember I used to take a batch, and there used to be a group of these three, four students, and there was one engineer who was there. So when we started the batch, these three, four students looked at the engineer that he was solving the answer quickly. He was getting the answers very fast. So they were very impressed. They all were commerce background students. So they approached him and you start teaching us because you're so good, etc. I went separately to these three, four commerce students and said, don't get involved with the engineer. He is good in his own right, but his methods are more mathematical in nature. It may not help. A commerce graduate has to study a different way of solving to help him crack the exam. So over a period of time, they formed a separate group. They studied, did well as such, and they really did well in the examination. I mean, all of them were got into top B schools. So one got into SPJ, one got into IIM Bangalore, one got into XLRI. Amazing B schools, amazing schools. They scored much better than the engineer. The engineer also didn't score badly. He scored a 96, 97 percentile, but that was not sufficient for him to get into a top B school. He got into IIM or newer IIM as such, but yes, these students went about doing much, much better. Now, why did they did better? Because they evolved their methods of solving mathematics. They changed the way they solve, which helped them to do better with regards to score. If they'd solved with the mathematical way that the engineer solved, it would have hampered their preparation because they're not so used to that mathematical way of solving. But a logical way of solving, which is what is required in the CAT, would definitely help them to score better. So if you're a non-engineer looking at cracking the exam and you find mathematics difficult, take one step back, try to see if you can solve it logically. There is a way to solve logically. And the moment you can learn those methods, you will find mathematics easier to solve and easier to crack. Try that and I'm sure you'll be able to score well. Thank you.